I have with me a young producer called Sana Khan, not the first Sana in the industry, but Sana is one of the co-producers of Deepak Tijori's upcoming directorial called Tipsy. Sana जी सबसे पहले ये जो मुझे जानना था कैसा इस फिल्म का नाम है और कैसी इसकी कहानी है एंड ऑब्वियसली आपको देख के लगता है यू आर समवन हु वेरी ट्रेडिशनल
Yes.
एज द को-प्रोड्यूसर्स क्या ये जब स्क्रिप्ट आपके पास आई did you have a creative input कि आपने ये सोचा that considering that you come from a traditional family
Correct.
right? और कि इस स्क्रिप्ट को बैक करने की वजह क्या थी because obviously
Right.
given टिप्सी क्या है शराब से रिलेटेड है
Yes.
तो आपके जैसे एक महिला के लिए ऐसे सब्जेक्ट को बैक करना क्या आपने इसके बारे में दो बार सोचा
Sure. I mean, of course, it is something that can be a little controversial, you can say. But basically, I'm a designer who has been in the industry for quite a few years, designing, let's say, lights and things like that. So I have a company called Black Canvas Studio, and we promote a lot of female designers, female energy, and things like that. So when I got the script, I did, go through how the characters are going to be, and though it might seem controversial, and when you do watch the film you will realize that why it was rated UA and not A. It's because it's a very nice film, and it is not the way that people are gonna perceive it, and it's not just about the sharab and all of this. Yes, it is part of it, because that is the young energy right now, and that is the trend that goes on right now. But the characters, you will be able to relate to them, and it's a very interesting script. So also it's also female oriented, and all the cast are beautiful and gorgeous, and I'm sure it'll work very well. Yeah.
जब कुछ अनहोनी हो जाए
Yeah.
और उस हादसे में शराब इन्वॉल्व हो
Yeah.
तो क्या दोष शराब को देना चाहिए या जो लोग जिन्होंने कोई क्राइम किया हो सकता है
Right. So of course both ways work. How much are you drinking and how much your capacity is. Like I think पूजा मैम ने भी यही बोला कि हर चीज का excess is bad for you. And I'm sure after watching the film, this will be in a way promotion. It will come to you that. Anything in excess could be really bad. I mean, you did see in the trailer that somebody got murdered because of excess drinking. So, of course, that does promote the fact that this is not okay. Yeah.
जब आप जैसी महिला एक मैं आपको युवा ही कहूँगा
Yeah.
who comes from मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी
Yeah.
एक ऐसे सब्जेक्ट को वैसे सपोर्ट करती है
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं ये समाज में एक पॉजिटिव संदेश देता है और जो शायद कई लोगों के मन में जो स्टीरियोटाइप रहते हैं
Yeah.
उसे भी दूर करता है
Correct. I mean, it's very important that people do understand that Muslim community and religion and all of this is one side, and the kind of people who are making films like this, and that's another side. So there's no in between that. Like, of course, as a Muslim, I would want that I stay the way that I have faith, and my faith is my faith. It's not somebody else's faith. So I would not comment on how other people are and things like that. Of course. So the way that the film is, what they're wearing, and all of these things is controversial, but it is their life, and this is something that does exist in the world. So we're just trying to show what is already in the world. So it's the reality of things. Yeah.
आपका पार्टी इसमें जाती है या आपको शौक नहीं है
Actually, मुझे शौक ही नहीं है. I'm very work centric. So I wake up in the morning, I go to work, I basically come back. So I have a very boring life. So I wanted to add a little bit of film in my life also. My husband is a film director. He wants to Haris Imtiaz Khan. So he makes poetic films and critical acclaimed kind of films. So that's why I kind of got into the flow of that industry. Yeah.
इसमें को-प्रोड्यूसर ये पहली बार कर रही है आप?
Yeah. This is my first time. It's, let's say, an experience. I wanted to see how the industry works also, and my mom and dad are very big fan of Deepak Tijori, so they did push me that it's a good opportunity, and this way I kind of get to promote my company also, which is Black Canvas Studio.
इसलिए आखिरी सवाल जो युवा है उनको आप क्या संदेश देना चाहेगी कि ये फिल्म क्यों देखें
किसको?
जो युवा है युवा
Okay. I mean, this is definitely a crime and suspense, murder, thriller. So that is the kind of trend right now. So I'm sure that everybody will find it very interesting. You've watched movies like Hush, you've watched movies like Who Done It, basically is the genre. So that kind of I think young people have a lot of interest in that area. So it's not just about the sensual and energy and the party. Of course, that is part of it, and people do enjoy those songs. There are really good songs in them as well, which will also be fun to be a part of. And I can see it playing in a lot of clubs after this. Yeah.
एक सवाल नॉट रिलेटेड टू द फिल्म,
Yeah.
आपकी में इच्छा है, अगर आप जवाब देना चाहेंगे दे सकते हैं, मैं आपको फोर्स नहीं करूँगा।
Okay.
Just as a young creative person coming from a Muslim community,
Okay.
पिछले 1-2 सालों में जो फिल्में आई हैं कुछ,
Yeah.
जिन्हें कई बार प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म कहा जाता है,
Yeah.
केरला स्टोरी हो, 695।
Yeah.
एज एन इंडियन जब आप ऐसी फिल्में देखती हैं तो आप क्या उस पर रिएक्ट करते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं?
I am sorry, I can't answer this question.